Today I'm going to be walking you through something that you need to know. Guys, it used to happen in many occasions whereby some people lost their phone, or in many occasions some people lost their families. In many occasions some people was kidnapped. So any situations around the fact that you lose your phone, you lost your family, or you lost your gadgets, any gadget that has screen, either laptop, either phone, tablet, or whatsoever it is, even your vehicle, your car. This what I want to teach you today is for educational purposes. Please don't abuse it. Please don't use it in a negative way. This what I want to teach you today is going to allow you to be able to track a location of any one of your device or your people. Either your phone is stolen, your vehicle is stolen, those of the new cars that have systems. Those cars that have inbuilt systems. I'm talking about the latest cars. So, and your mobile phone gadget is stolen. Even if your people or your person is kidnapped and the person is with his or her phone, this is what I want to teach you. It's going to be one of the best or perfect thing you can do in your family to protect and to be able to trigger actions before things get worse. So I'm going to walk you through the step by step on how you can do this. But there's one thing you need to do. Don't just watch this video, please. Don't be stingy, please. This information is so vital and so bigger than for you to hear this kind of information and keep it at your own door. Like the video, interact with it. Your interactions is not anything, but will allow other people to see the video. It will make the video to go up in the ranking so that other people will be able to see the kind of very huge information like this. And again, share the video. When you share the video with others, it will still save their life as well and keep them safe. Guys, I'm going to break everything down to you in total, and I will make sure that I make it more clear so that you guys will be able to see, you'll be able to do it easily. So please share the video. I'm doing this video in the aims to help people to secure life. You too contribute your own. So let's meet in the class. Let me choose the window and start things. Okay, guys, so let's begin the journey. So the first thing you need to do to do this thing is to make sure that you go to your Gmail application. You're going to open your Gmail application and open it this way. So let it load. So immediately you have it load like this. So you are going to click on this place where you can see right there. So you click on the place, then you scroll down to the button where you can see add right there. This add, hope you can see. So you will now click on that add. That is add new account. So you come to Google right here. You're the one that said Google, this one. So you click on it. So click on that one. So you let it load. It will ask for your authentication. If your phone has password or fingerprint, then you give it to it. So it will load and open. So the purpose of this place is, okay, you're going to click on create account. So the purpose of this one you are doing is you want to create a unique Gmail account, because this process you are not going to use your own normal Gmail, so that for confidentiality purpose, because you want to secure your family doesn't say that you should reveal your data to your family. So for this reason, you are going to click on create accounts here, and you are going to create a new account. So you click on create account. So if it asks you for which purpose, you're going to take for personal use. So you don't need to be setting up business for it. So that's just that. So it will request your name, your surname, and everything. So from this place, I will not need to do all this just because I know everybody. I think from this place you should be able to give all the information, to ask for your birthday and everything, to ask for your number, for your phone number for security purpose, So you give it your phone number and you submit the Gmail. So after you've created your email account, you are going to see the email. Let me go back and show you where. So you are going to click right here back. So and you are going to scroll among the emails. So you are going to find the email that you just created. So that is the first step. The first step is for you to have a dedicated email for this thing that you want to use to secure yourself, your family, your children. That is the first thing that you need to do. So after creating that first email, then you will now go back. So you will now go back and send that email to all your families and friends. Every one of your family that you want them, that you want to protect them, or you guys want to protect each other. So you are going to send that email address to them. You can create the email address in the name of your family. So you get this thing now. You can create the email address in the name of your family or whatsoever. You're going to make sure that all your children and everybody around you that you want to save log in the email to their phone. You're going to give them the password to use. So that is the end of that at the first stage. The second stage is, let now consider that your phone is missing, or your child, or God forbid, or anyone is kidnapped. So you are able to know at the point of kidnapping, maybe informations come to you that Mr. Suzu are just kidnapped right now. Then you want to trace the person. At first, the people that kidnapped the person are not even collected the phone from the person. They might not even shut down the phone. For you to be able to trace the person immediately and give security personnel information on how to track or trace them down immediately, first thing you need to do is just like you now go to this site by opening your Chrome browser, one.google.com. So if you want it to be faster, you just use /home. So you press enter. So immediately you press enter, this site is going to load like this. So as this site loads, so what you are going to say is, if you scroll up like this, you are going to see backup device like this. You are going to see backup device. So and you are going to click on fill, because immediately the person enter their email address, log in the email address on their phone. So that particular email address will reflect on each of your phones. So, or you click on this place. So you click on home, because in many occasions some people will say that, what if the person does not use the email as backup email? So as I was saying, so if the person use that particular email for backup, to back up his or her device, it's very easy for you. If that your family member use that particular email to back up, but it's not advisable because all of you cannot use the email to back up. You're going to find the email directly on that backup device like this, which means that if it is your own personal phone that is missing, so that is connected with two or three of your mail, that a single mail is connected to two or three of your devices, either your car, either your vehicle, either your PC, your laptop, your phone, or any. So it is very easy for you to locate it under backup like this if you use that particular email for backup. So if that particular email is not meant for backup, in terms of family matter like this, then you are going to click on this place, that place where you see that logo of R. Your own may not be R, because my own email address starts with R. That is why this is R. Then you are going to click on it like this. So as you click on it, you are going to scroll up. So any one of the email that is logged into your phone, that very one that you want to use, that one that you use, that you created for your family, you will find it. You just click on it like this. So immediately you click on that very email. So it's going to display a phone that particular email is logged on. Every phone that is logged on right here. Okay, let me give you an instance. Let me look for an email that I have here that is logging into another phone. That's one of my family members' phone. That, okay, this one belongs to someone that related to me. So you can see this very email is on another phone. That is not my phone at all. But since the person is my family, so I have the email login on my phone right here because I used to help the person do something on our email. See, you can see. I will just click on view. Then you click on view like this. So then you click on find my location. So then it will load the person's location directly. Just wait and see miracle. So it will load the person's location directly. So in such a case, so as you click on that, so it will land you on the map like this. But if you scroll up, you are going to see that that device is not here. If you are following me, the device of that phone is Samsung Gate 3, so it's not here. So what you now need to do is that it's just like you will now click right here again. You will now click right here again. So then you click here. So by the time you click here, you see that it will list all the email. Then this is the email account I'm using. Then you just click on the email again. It will request for the password you guys have set. So you are going to input the password as it requested the password. Then you're going to press sign in. So as you press sign in, if the password is correct, so if the password is correct, so it's going to load in directly. But I'm not going to use this continue with this because I don't have this person password right now, and I don't want to. I don't want to be using this again because I think so. Let me just go back and do and continue with another account, which is my own account. So you are going to click on, okay, let me go back to my own account, continuous command. So as you can see, this is my phone, this J400. So if you sign into that your particular account, this is how it's going to display that very phone. So it's going to list all the phone that particular account is signing. Then you are going to pick the one that you want to track. So as you pick that one, you can see these are the things you can do through your end. You can place sand on that phone, so like alarm, tell you can secure the sand by input a security, so you can get direction of where that particular phone is. And apart from that, if you look at what is right here, so that this is that phone. If you take your two hand and stress and zoom out, so you can zoom out that location. You can see as I keep zooming out the location, so you can look at what is around the place to see what's good going. You can see this is Airport Road, Salon. So first building, second building, third building. So inside that third building or at the front of or back of that third building, that is where that my phone is, and that is very very correct. That is very very correct. You can see Cellular Furniture. So you can see if you don't zoom it very well, you may not get it. You can see before you would think that phone is in Salon, but if you zoom it, you're going to see that it's in third building to that particular place. So that is how that works. So the next thing is you can secure the phone by clicking on get device. So secure J400 because my phone, I don't want to tamper anything. So you just click on secure and it's going to give you the process on how you can lock that. If you want that phone to get some kind of security. So if you want to get a direction, you click on get direction and Google Map will take over completely. So it will show you how you can get to that particular place from the point that you are. So I hope this is very very interesting. I hope this is very very interesting. So it is going to tell you how you can get there from where you are. Hope you can see. So the directions. So hope you can see. So if you click on direction, so you will choose your starting location, your starting point. So that should be. Let me just choose Bagi because I think Bagi Bridge Ibadan. That is the most very closest place to where I am. I think you can see that it give me the directions. This is jockey apparel. So yeah, so this is my starting point, and so you can zoom out this thing so that you'll be able to see very very, because in many occasions map used to be very very tiny. You just need to zoom out your map very very well. So you can see, if you zoom out your map, you are going to see exactly, you can see airport road, it's continue, by the expressway, 4 minutes. So hope you can see A2. So 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 like Ibadan. So okay, 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 okay. Hope you can see that thing. So it will take you down to the place conveniently. So this is Gbagi Market, pedestrian bridge. So from Gbagi Market, so it's going down to where my phone is. Okay, this is where the phone is. Airport Road. So it said you will enter Airport Road. Here you can see, as you are coming down, okay, it has even left the express. Let me go back. I want you to see the what I'm saying. It has left that express. You can see this is express. He said you will divert to the inside Airport Road, Oasis Palace Hotel. So you can see Emaflo Farms Limited. So after that, so you are going to reach. So this is around where my phone is. So if you zoom very very well, you are going to see the location again, exactly how it is before. So, and in many occasions, you can see that salon that it shows you first building, second building, and third building. So exactly where my phone is. So guys, this is a very very crucial information for you, and I recorded this for security purpose and for educational purposes. Just make sure, if you don't understand everything, anything, you put in the comment section, and I will be available to answer it. So I think this may be so technical, but if you don't understand anything, put it in the comment section. I will answer. And if it's warranted that I should do another video for you guys to get better, I'm going to make it available as well. So thank you guys. So by God's grace, our people will not miss and will be safe. Thank you for watching.